calm down. Y'all need to calm down. Y'all do. Honey. Buns. Buns. You need to calm down. Y'all both need to calm down. Oh, yeah, that's it. Just be calm. Calm. Tranquil. That's it. That's all we need. We're waiting for Mama to bring our salad back. We're going to go home, go fry some bacon, put on that salad. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. My hat on backwards. Backwards, y'all. Here we go. I still look old, no matter what I do. I look like Mr. Beast's deadbeat older brother. That's who I am. And this is my dog. My dog, Honey. Oh, what's that? What's that, y'all? Yeah, y'all got nothing to bark at. We're being good dogs now. So we're in the Jeep. They love it in the Jeep. They're Jeep dogs. Jeep dogs. Buns is a Jeep dog. Get another little Buns pic. Huh, Buns? Buns a Jeep dog. Yes, yes, yes.